The vagina is a self-cleaning organ and it does not require any special cleaning. Welcome back to the channel. It's Dr. Nick. Today I'll be discussing how should you clean your vagina. Yes, guys, stop. Male, female, you need to know this. This is a very important topic and I'm recurrently asked the same questions. Should you wash your vagina? Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. I will be posting new videos every Tuesday and Friday at 7 p.m. If you like the content, remember to smash the like button. Come on, boost me up, right? And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to speak about anything else. So, my moderator for today is the voice. That's all we'll call her today.
So now, what is the difference between the vagina and the vulva?
That's an awesome question. So the vagina is the internal aspect of the entire genitalia and the vulva is the external aspect where we have the labia, which are basically the two fleshy parts on the outside, and the clitoris. This is a pictorial demonstration of what it looks like.
So does the vagina need cleaning?
This is a very important question. The vagina is a self-cleaning organ. It does not require any specialized cleaning.
What kind of cleaning strategies should a female avoid?
One, we should avoid using scented or fragrance-based products. So the scented soaps, we should avoid douching. So we should not be inserting anything into the vagina. Not water, not soap, not powder. Nothing should be entering into the vagina.
What about vaginal steaming?
Vaginal steaming is also not recommended. There's the practice of using herbs and other fragrance to steam the vagina, none of which have been proven to add any special benefits, and some might be harmful to the external aspect of the vagina, causing irritation, burning, bruising, so it's not recommended. What you should do is ensure that the vaginal area is kept relatively dry. Avoid wearing tight-fitting clothing. Avoid wearing the stockings with tights or additional underwear, those improper fitting underwears, jeans, and any other tight or very close-fitting type of material. Substitute your underwear for more breathable type underwear, so cotton based is always best. Sometimes you can go without wearing underwear when you're at home.
When should you see a doctor?
That's a good question. So ideal time to see a doctor if you start having any burning, itching, any rash in the vaginal area. If you start having a foul discharge, a discharge that is discolored, whether it might be pink, brown, green, yellow, anything that is malodorous, you should definitely see a doctor. Also, if you have pain during intercourse or pain while urinating or lower abdominal pain with that discharge, it would be best to seek medical attention.
On a note of medical attention, doc, when a female is experiencing certain types of discharges, how does she know that she needs to seek medical attention?
So before we talk about the abnormal discharges, remember the vagina does have a natural discharge. Most vagina does also have a natural scent, so it's good to know what your vagina normally smells like and what the discharge is normal. So a normal discharge tends to be very thin, white, and more of a lubricant type of texture. Anything outside of that realm, which means it is thicker, itching, maybe looks like cottage cheese, might have a foul odor, or is discolored, then it's definitely best to seek medical attention.
What types of soaps would you suggest that can be used on the vagina?
Okay, so Remember, we really don't need to use soap in the vaginal area. Yes, you don't. Warm water is sufficient, but you might say, Doc, I was doing a lot of activities, I'm a bit musty than usual, or I am on my menses and I do have a mild odor. If you do have an odor, my top recommended soaps are mild, lack fragrance or any type of scented products, because you really don't need your vagina smelling like flowers and rainbows or cotton candy.
So Doc, if we do need to use any soaps, what would be your suggestions?
Well, my 5 top soaps if we do need to use soap, and as I said, in cases where we might feel a bit more musty than normal, or we might have had a discharge or might have been on our menses. The recommended soaps: Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar, the Basis Sensitive Skin Bar, Vanicream Cleansing Bar, and the Aveeno Gentle Moisturizing Cleanse Bar. So those are just if you definitely need to use those, and those are always recommended for sensitive skin. But please, I implore you, I beg you, do not use cake soap. Stop douching. You do not need to use a rag, tissue, your finger. You don't need to put any of those into the vagina, and you do not need to splash soap water, nothing at all into the vagina. All of this disturbs the natural bacteria, the natural flora of the vagina that allows it to continue to clean itself, stay healthy, and have its natural odor and its normal discharge, if any. Guys, this is the end of this video. I hope it adds some value to your life. If there's anything you'd like me to speak about next, let me know. I am recommending that you watch my next video on yeast infections, as I do believe it will add a lot of value to your life. If you enjoy the content, remember to smash the like button and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share the video with one of your friends. This is Dr. Nick, and big up on yourself. Foul, malodorous, discolored type of discharge, it would be ideal to see a doctor. Remember, the vagina normally has a mild discharge, which is normal, clear.
What is the difference between the vagina and the vulva?
Awesome question. So the vagina is the inside of the genitalia, right? The labia is the outside.